Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Red to green. And I should mute myself. Anything moving, guys? I know Bondman is trading iSig maybe or looking at iSig, but he's leery with it, so that's a sign, right? So if Bondman is not confident with iSig, this guy neither. You guys hear me okay? Can you confirm? How's the background music? Too loud? Too quiet? Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. The market looks dead. So as I talked yesterday, not yesterday, was it Friday? Friday. I'm trying to get into this new methodology, new system that so 1 second, guys. Analyze the futures. Okay, yeah. Sorry, I was just reading Trading View. Some new features coming out. They always have this, number next to the menu. Just gotta get rid of that, I guess. So what's moving? What's moving? BBLG. It's popping for sure. BBLG 2.1 million. A coffee round. Yeah, I know, man. I don't know. Can you check your system settings? Are you at the 1080p? It should be 1080p 60. And the screen resolution, the camera, the video should be fine. Because what I'm doing is I'm sourcing the video and some of the font from a different machine, different laptop. So the reason the resolution is low is because I am duplicating my trading screen platform into the streaming software. So the reason I do that is that way I don't use the resources of my trading machine, because what happened before is I was streaming and it was using way too much of my CPU power and my execution were lagging, and I was sacrificing some of the executions. So I created this workaround where I mirrored the monitor to a different computer and I stream it from there. What the consequences of that is the low resolution. So I mean, you can see what's going on. So you don't really need the high res. You see my active trader thinkorswim execution blocks or whatever, the little two windows, right? You see my watch list, you see the charts. So generally the idea here, right, is, I mean, how much of the quality do you need to see? You should have that stuff pulled up on your machine, and I should be in one of your left ears or right ears, whatever, just kind of like a side note. What I'm looking at, what levels I'm looking at. So just from that perspective, if you're potentially intending to educate yourself of my trading style, if that's something that suits you, it's not suitable for everybody. So just an FYI. Anyway, I'm still setting up. I had a little hiccups this morning, and what is Bondman's looking? Bondman's looking at iSig still iSig for him. BBLG, I'll put it on the watch list. BBLG, I mean, it's under VWAP. It's one of the leading gappers. So ZNGA, APR, MOLN, CPSR, BBLG. So CPSR is low volume, never mind. RVPH, ISIG, and PSTI. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ZNGA has 42 million volume. ZNGA. What's up with that? We had the what, 4 a.m. news or something? It looks like it. No, we had the 7 a.m. news. So that's a nice timing for all the TOS people for 7 a.m. So ZNGA is selling off. So I don't know. I mean, let's keep it on the watch list. Why not? ZNGA is a top gapper for us. BBLG. Let's see what else. APR low volume, MOLN low volume, CPSR low volume, RVPH. ISIG is still there. I'm gonna leave that RVPH. RVPH is selling off, but it is bouncing against VWAP. So keep in mind, like just because you have them on the watch list, not necessarily you're gonna trade them. But that's the whole, hint watch list. You're watching them in case they do pop, because if the buyer's coming in, you wanna actually see that before any scanners. So having that 1 minute chart, that's at least that's what I have. I have a 1 minute chart of all the stocks that I'm watching above me. So I have total of 16 stocks that I watch on a regular basis, and I will see the pop, and then if I see that pop, I'm in. I'm in, right? Then I'm kind of trying to get in and see that initial volume spike or set up maybe a micro pullback. So that's what I'm looking for. By the time, so let's say if I didn't have it on the watch list, right? I would see it on the scanner. I would punch it in. I would try to adjust and scale my chart, understand where the levels are, and I was like, and then put it in my trading active trader. Then put it on my level 2. So by the time I do all that, I could be missing the trade. So that's why I feel like, just even if you feel like the stock is weak or it may be gapped up and now it's sold off in the backside that you think, just I never exclude it. Just keep an eye on it. So again, today, guys, we are probably going to try something different. As you know, Thursday, Friday last week was pretty dead. So I'm not expecting much movement today. Eventually, right? We'll have to get out of this rut, right? The dead rut. And once we do, like, you remember back, what was it, November or October, the DWAC? Once DWAC came aboard and it halted multiple times, it went ridiculous, right? It gapped up ridiculously, and that's kind of set a stage. And for about a month after that, we saw some momentum in low floats. And now we're back to the pre-DWAC time or era, where we don't really get that much volume, and January is a low month, low volume, and I feel like last year was a little different because of the vid and all that stuff. So last 2 years, you cannot count it as a normal progression in terms of volume and the seasonality. So I feel like we're going back to this pre-vid type of era where the winter or post-holiday moves are kind of low. And then we're going to get into this spring type of pre-summer, right, movements. I feel like maybe Valentine's Day, that's where the things start to move. But just keep in mind, right, the pre-vid era was a lot different in the low float. So you were watching for a lot less stocks, maybe 3-4 stocks, and generally, and you were looking for those quick moves. You weren't able to trade throughout the day, all day long, like you do now, because generally that volume dies down right away, like 9:30, 9:40, and then, well, it doesn't die. It starts at that, so it dies down about 2 hours into it. So by 11 o'clock, you're pretty much done. unless you get some catalyst like a news or something coming out, your initial gappers, the pre-market gappers, are pretty much done by 11 o'clock. Alright, looks like my music is playing on the background. My mic is a little static. Yeah, I know Ski at some point mentioned that, but nothing I can do yet until I get a better setup. So once I start making $100,000 a day, guys, I'll definitely get a better mic, I promise you. Come on, somebody support my sarcasm here. So it tells you a lot for pre-market, right? If Bunman hasn't taken any trades yet, that's a sign. It's a sign that he's not trusting any of the stocks. He's not trusting to put that pump, his pump credits into that, any of them. So I don't know if you guys remember from last week I talked, but I did reach out to Lightspeed for potentially unfreezing my account. So I'm thinking about it. And I thought over a weekend too. I don't know yet. I'm not fully convinced. I think I still need time to try to play and just a general idea. And today you'll see me trade a little different than typically. I feel like Thursday, Friday large caps had more movement in rather than a low float. And if I can apply the same concept, same methodology to large caps, because before large caps, I stayed away from them because the way they move, right? They don't have those spikes that you see in the low float. They're a little more uncontrollable per se, rather than like low float. Especially if a bondman is pumping a low float, right? It can be controlled in terms of the direction of that pump. He can't really pump Tesla. He can't really pump Amazon with his, whatever, how many subscribers he has. But he definitely can pump an iSig with 11, or what was iSig's float? iSig's float, if TradingView is showing, it's like 922,000 shares. I think I believe it's between 1 million to 4 million. Anyway, it's really low. So if he can be half of that float, keep in mind they're back holders, right? They're people that are buying just regular. So I would say 50% of that float is already being kind of held by other people. So imagine he comes in with his 40,000 shares, and 1,000 of other people come in was another 1,000 shares. So right there's the volume pump in that stock. It's very easy to pump that. But you can't just blindly jump into the pumps. You can't assume other people will jump in. You have to create the conviction. You have to create levels. You have to create basically you have to set a mood for the stock, right? You have to prove that you can pump it. So yeah, it's definitely a psychological aspect too, not just trading. Max share size. Sorry, I didn't see your message earlier. For the new strategy or for existing line? Which one? I'm also streaming on Twitch. I don't know. Oh, I'm trying something out. I have the parallel stream. And back to your concern with the quality coffee run. I'm actually having this split stream as well too into the different platforms, and I'm too cheap. I don't want to pay the $19.99 a month for the Restream.io software, so I'm using my laptop. Anyway, that techie, nerdy, geeky stuff, you know. So I know the sacrifice in quality, but I feel like you don't really need quality when it comes to this type of streams. Now, educational video, like where you're looking at different, like level 2, and you want to see the quickness, the agility of the movements, and yeah, you probably need that. But like most of the stuff, if I listen to a trader in the chat room, I don't really care, you know, the quality of their share screen. All I care is what they say. Because if I'm too zoned out and looking at their screen, well, okay, let me step back. So initially, when I started learn the methodologies and system, right? Obviously, you want the quality. You want to see what they're doing on the screen. You kind of want to understand and feel, is that for me or not? Then yeah, I agree, the quality is there. But see, that's where the educational or learning videos come in, and I plan to release more of those as I improve in my system. As I prove that the system is definitely profitable, and you know, and it's just little approaches, right? And also you need to understand, some people here who are trading, they're in not for the profit of the trades, but they're rather in for the profits of the chat room or educational or being the gurus, right? So okay, you buy my course for $300 a month, and I'm gonna teach you how to do it. I want to hold your hand, but not necessarily. I'm not gonna execute trades with you. I'm just gonna hold your hand if you have questions and stuff. And usually that's the majority of all the training educational videos, right? So RVPH is bouncing on the VWAP. Do you guys see that? I don't know if is it part of, yeah, it is on our watch list. It's a $3.50 stock. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have large cap stocks also. I'm gonna look at them. So I'm gonna look at, that's what I wanted to do. See, I had a hiccups with what are the large caps that are gapping up right now. I mean, obviously, I'm gonna have Tesla on watch. DWAC, just for the sake of it. I don't know. Then what else? Is Lucid? I think Baba is actually maybe. How is Baba? Baba might. I don't know. Like, that's what I'm saying. I'm just gonna watch the suspected candidates. I should really look at the gaps for the large caps, and I didn't have a chance. So that's what I'm going to be working on today, is kind of setting up the gappers. What is that guy, the bold guy that streams his trades? He does. I'm just going to watch his. I'm just going to watch what he has on his list. That way I don't have to do the homework myself. So he is looking... what? They're looking at ISIG? Okay, Bear FB. So let's do... NVDA, of course. How did I miss? NVDA. What's Vero? Vero is that large cap, not $6 stock. Facebook? Since when Facebook moved? No, never mind. So I don't know. Their watch list looks crappy. Like they have ISIG, Facebook, and Vero on their screen. The Barack or whatever his name. Okay, so RVPH, we have less than what, minute and 10 seconds left. We have a minute and 10 seconds left. RVPH, adding this RVPH. I'm all over the place today. I don't have my watch list set up, and that's not good. All right, so RVPH, ZNGA. ZNGA, guys, I don't know, looks kind of crappy. It's at the top, so see, my thing is, I'm not ZNGA. My expectations are low. That's why I have my mindset on large caps today. All right. Remember, with TOS, I'm not touching the first minute. Not touching the first minute. Let's watch how RVPH moving. 1 cent spread, RVPH, $3 stock. Let's start with 250 shares for now. We're 20 seconds. Let's see for a bounce here. It's not holding 50s. It's a weak stock. BBLG, watch for that red to green. BBLG. If my trading view will load. All right, BBLG. No volume, BBLG. Just watch for that volume. We have a high of 390. So maybe to a 4, maybe 10 cent move. There's no volume though, guys. The level 2 is dead. RVPH volume is awesome. I'm not touching ISIG either. Look at this BABA, DWAC, Tesla, ZNGA. So BBLG started to move, guys. BBLG 397 BBLG. It's all over the place. ISIG, one man's trading ISIG, so get ready for it to push. ISIG sold off. ZNGA, maybe red to green. ZNGA, red to green, 5 minutes set up at 891. So watch 891. I'm in. All right, let's see. 88, watch 88. Watch 88, 20 seconds. There might be a red to green puncture through VWAP, but watch for instant rejection here. 81, 81. Okay, I'm not seeing a lot of buyers. It's gonna sell. I'm in. Let's see if nope, we're selling off. Yeah. BBLG, I don't know. BBLG 91, 97. I'm in at 93. Are you gonna pump? Jesus, look at that spread. It was 4 when I got out, and I exited. Where did I exit? Jeez, where's my fills? Yeah, I exited at 90. I got in at 93, and I'm out at 90. And that thing just went to 420, and it halted. So, all right, and Nvidia is selling off everything. Large cap is selling off. RVPH, We might get something on the RVPH. Just keep watching. RVPH. BBLG. And see, that's why I have it on the okay, RVPH. Let's see if we have if we're gonna bounce here. Just pissed off. I'm pissed off. ZNGA maybe also. Watch 80 on ZNGA. I'm in at 77. Nope. Nope. Nothing's holding. Nothing's holding. ZNGA. So ZNGA and RVPH. I'm still hoping for red to green. Not touching ISIG. BBLG. Nothing else is moving, right? Nothing else is moving. Still watching 80 on ZNGA. Still watching that 80. Okay. Touched 80 again. It's probing. It's probing. $30 seconds. Just keep an eye on it. I'm in. No. Watch. 47, 15 seconds. I'm gonna sell off. I'm in. 10 seconds. Are we gonna go 1 minute candle? Or are we gonna sell off? Okay, I'm in at 79. I want to see 80 break. No, 80 is not breaking. Well, it is breaking now. 21,000 share seller. Wow, what a horrible, unreadable stock. 77, 78. 77. I'm in. Nope, selling off. $76. What else is moving, guys? ZNGA, ISIG. All right, let's watch 80 still. $10 seconds. 78 is holding. 77. I'm in. I want to see 80 in 30 seconds. 77. I'm in at 76. I want to see that 80 break. 15 seconds. Will we break? I see volume. It's not moving though. There he goes. So I need to see more volume. I'm in. No. Now 14,000 share seller. It's like there's a hidden seller at 80. But you see that flat top at 80? That's what I'm looking at. BPLG, what the hell is wrong with that stock? Keep an eye at 80. 14 10 seconds. 10 seconds and 80. I don't know. Will we push? They're buyers. But they're all over the place. Like 79, 80. There's a lot. 81, 82. There's like a level of buyers that it's got to break. IMMX. That's from last week. And it's halted too. All right, we need something to definitely push. Something to push. There it goes. Maybe ZNGA again. Over 80. Let's watch it. I'm in. Nope. I'm in. No. Oh my goodness. It's like it's stuck at this level. I want to see that 80 break into the 85. There's 48,000 share seller. Yeah, this stock is. What is ZNJ? What is the float? Wow, it has it's 1 billion float, at least per. See, that's the consequences of being all over the place this morning and trading a large cap. So, and you guys didn't even tell me. Okay, so pretty much 20 bucks is done. IMMX. All right, let's do IMMX. I don't remember. Did I do good on IMMX before? So IMMX. What do we have here? 23.29 IMMX. 3-cent spread. 23.29. 8, 6. I'm in at 07. I want it to go over 20. Will it pop over 20? Nope. And I'm down 14 bucks on it. Great. All right, keep watching IMMX still. The 16 and 20. 5. I'm in at 98. Let's see if it's gonna sell off, or is it gonna push above 620. Keep watching. Nope, selling off. Selling off. All right, still watching though. Still watching. Six. So bouncing off of 6. So 604 in 30 seconds into the 20s. Will we see it? Yeah, BBLG, I don't know. BBLG. Let's see if BBLG is gonna give us anything. So 55. Watch that. 55, 56. Pull back. I'm in. I'm out. So here's the BBLG. He's getting volume. So 97 is a halt. It might be a false halt, so just watch. Yep, that's a false halt coming up. Well, no, never mind. Halted. I know, it's hard to trust. IMMX, look for the false VWAP breakout. And then 598, so over 6 on IMMX. But we need to see some volume coming in. So 98, let's watch how it's going to get to 98. $95. All right, 6. I wanted to see a pullback. 97. I'm in. I'm in at 96. Okay. Nope. Not good. 94. Well, better than 92. I want to see it punctured through 6 into the I'm in. It's not going. Ask is not even moving up. There it goes. Will we see anything above 603? 97. I'm on. Okay, 98. 602. 603. Probably got out too early. Yeah, man, ZNGA was like, what was it? What was the ZNGA? Is the what spin is this saying for a float on ZNGA? ZNGA. Yeah, it's a 1 billion float, 1 billion share float. Like, why the hell did I even trade it? 1 billion shares. Yeah, I'm not sure why I tried to trade that 1 billion share float. I don't know. I just looked at Bunman's watch list for the day, and he used to not keep the high float. You see how BBLG is halted, but yet you still see trades going through? How's it like? Look at this. It halted at 514, and then now the last trade was 497. I have no idea. And my DAS is not showing that it's halted. Like usually, DAS has that on top of level 2-ish as like volatility halt or something like that, and then it shows you the time it got halted. So BBLG, maybe like 520, try to get in, I don't know. Okay, it's a lot of selling. 498, pull back. I'm in at 71. Nope, out. Watching 98, still watching for the pullback. There's a pullback. I'm in at 89 over 5. Okay, pullback. I'm in over 5. Okay, so watch that 520. There it goes, 520. Look for a pullback. There's no pullback, there's a halt. Nope, false halt. 37 is still there. Yeah, there it goes. So geez, IMMX, I'm missing on it. I actually like the way the BBLG is trading. This is definitely reminds me of 618 IMMX. IMMX 618 micro pullback. Let's see if it pulls through 816, 16 and 12, 16 and 12. Let's watch for that volume come in. It's not. Maybe we're on the backside of IMMX. ZNGA, look at that. Bumped against the VWAP. So BBLG, I had a temptation to add on the false halt or when the fault increases. It's actually a really strong setup. Really strong probability of it successful, because what usually happens, it bumps against that 37 level, right? Never halts, goes down to 25. That's the time to get in. And then if it's still bouncing against 37, it's not halting, that means they're waiting for that halt to go up, and it did. It went up to what, 70. So let's watch so I'm still watching IMMX at 610, 612, I wanted to break that 618 and pop into the next high, which is a 29. So potentially looking for 5-7 cents. So let's watch volume here over 610. There it goes. I see volume. So 20 seconds, are we going to see a bump over 610 into the 20? Let's see if we have volume coming in. I'm in at 604. So let's see, any signs of red, I'm out. I want this next 1 minute candle to bust through a 610. But there's a chance that it can sell off, so keep an eye. No, I don't like it. I don't like it. And I exited right at 601. Still watching. It could, nope, still, well. So let's add Tesla. What are we doing here? Maybe a 5 minutes setup. Oh wow, that 5 minute just broke down. So let's watch this level here on Tesla. And of course IMMX is moving over 610 again. 605. 30 seconds. 606, 609. Tesla is going down. Still watching that buy level 605. So let's see. I don't know, BBLG is a little scary right now. I gotta admit, you know, dabble with small share size maybe, but I don't know what am I gaining out of it. I'm not really, you know, I don't know. Maybe smaller share size. Still watching IMMX. I'm hoping IMMX goes through 620. That's what I'm hoping for. 10 seconds. Are we gonna get pullback? 605. There it goes. 610. 611. I want to see a pullback. Pullback. I'm in. Nope. I'm in at 13 and it's selling off. Yeah. So that was unfortunate entry. And I'll take it. I'll take that unfortunate entry. It's weird how on the red volume it's actually going up. I'm in. I wanna see it over 20. There it goes. That's what I wanted to see, over 20. So if I didn't butcher the previous trade, I would have been okay. So 25 was a bump, which is expected. Now Mucker pullback, I missed that. So watch that 25, 23 and break of high. So sell really fast into the 30s. So watch 23. Watching. Okay. 20 seconds. Might go, yeah, it went without us. Yeah, today is a fun day. So watch that break I'm in. Will we pop? There it goes. So still watching that 24.25. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. That's what I was waiting for, and I didn't get to trade it. Halt is at 74. Pet Z? What the hell? Alright, BBLG resumed. I'm doing my daily run of oh wow, BBLG guys. Ooh. I know I'm missing a lot of money on it. BBLG. Highest 50. Watch 50 break. There it goes. It's 21, 20, 18. I'm in. Out. Okay. Watch this. Watch the pullback again. There it goes. Goes over 20. Pull back more. Got into 6. Woohoo! I'm back to green. Red to green, baby. Red to green. Yeah. So, I guess back to the... 1 second. It's basing here, right? 125 shares, nothing crazy. Watch the 25 break. Pull back. Oh, it's pulling back. So 25 break. Watch that in 20 seconds. Let's see if it's gonna bounce over 25 here. There it goes. It's holding over 6. There you go. There you go. Pull back. I'm in. Nope. Out. Watching. I'm in. I want to see that 625 break. I'm in at 604. Out. Yuck. Not good. I was out at 97. This is the area where you can get smushed. So watch out. Yeah, it's selling off. Phew. I really wanted to get in just now. Back to red. Back to red. Yeah. There you go, it's selling off. IMMX over 13. 15, 16. It's not bad. 16, 17. IMMX is actually looking better than so 22 sold off on IMMX. That was a decent flush on IMMX. But keep an eye on IMMX still. So over 22. Let me remove that line. So adding that line, and then I'm trying to sell into this 32 break. BBLG over 613 maybe. 613. So watch the 6, and then there it goes. Pull back to 70. I'm in. Nope. Nope, not good at all. Are we gonna sell off here? $85. Yeah, definitely an interesting stock. It's definitely weaker. Okay, 85. I'm in. Wow. I'm in. 80. So let's break over 6. That's what I'm waiting for. It did break over 6. Okay. Okay. There it goes. That's the break. But instant pullback. I'm in. Ooh. I'm in. Are we gonna go? There's a 6. Pullback. Pullback. I'm in. Jeez. It's definitely like straddling or whatever the term is. 607. 607. I'm in. It's not moving. It wants to move, but it just sells off, right? See, like right there. I'm in. I want to see that 10 break here. 602. That's crazy. How that thing moves. There's a buyer to wait, but nobody, well. How do you trade this? Selling off. $20 seconds into 1 minute. I don't know. It might rip. It might rip here. Right there. We gotta see it rip. Over 20. There it goes. But the bids were still 16 and then the bids went down to 12. Yeah, how do you trade this? The bids are not moving. The bids are not moving at all. One minute candle, there it goes. Back to 16. Jesus. How do you trade this? How do you trade this? This is a 5-minute setup too. 23.24. How do you trade this? 40, 50. Wow, halted. 58. I can't trade this. I can't trade this. This is definitely something that sketch. How's Tesla doing? Oh, 593. Let's try Tesla with one stock. Tesla. Okay, watch Tesla. 1047. 105. Okay, it definitely punctured. Pullback. I'm in. I'm out. I'm in. Break over 7. There it goes. Out. Interesting how I'm just playing around here. This is not real trading. Well, it is real trading, but I'm just trying something. BBLG. Anyway, I'll be right back. So Tesla bounce over VWAP at 99. 99.22. Just watch that. $99.54. 30 seconds. Pullback. $1,099. 10 seconds. I'm in. Out. So what was the exit? 213. In at 150. out at 213. Okay. 150 out at 213. A little laggy for sure. So watch that 288. IRTC. What is this? 121. Well, IRTC's float is 23 million, $120 stock. Should we trade BBLG? Tesla. BBLG, probably smaller share size. Watch BBLG. 658. What are the levels here? 59. So 70s. Maybe start loading up at 70 into the 40s. There goes resumption. I want to see a pullback. I'm in. Nope. That's bad. I'm in. I'm in. Nope. And that's how you lose 50 bucks. You can't trade this. You know, 50 bucks was 125 shares. That's 50 cents a share that I just lost. Yeah, it's definitely yeah, unfortunate today. So I was in at 659, out at 634, and then I was in at 644 and out at 622. So 20 cents, 25 cents each time. There's your 50 cents on 125 shares. Good thing I used the 125 shares. I didn't trust that stock. If I were using 250, it would have been 125 bucks loss. So not looking good. Not looking good. So Tesla. So watch Tesla. 106.41. I'm in. Break. Out. Okay, so in at 597, out at 645. It's not bad. Could have been if I would have held that extra dollar. Today is definitely not a really good day. Yeah, I feel like BBLG definitely. Ah. So Tesla maybe under that 5 minute, which is a 9.99. So if we can break down that 10, what is it, low of 101.21, potential is short for scalp. Yeah, today's definitely not looking good. Today's definitely not looking good. Down 62 bucks so far. Nothing else is moving. That BBLG, I don't know what to say. Tesla's bouncing. 104.49. 104.49. So 105.25. I want to see a pullback a little bit. I'm in. Nope. I'm in. Nope. $4.46. I'm in. We're gonna go 93. Nope. And that's how you lose money on Tesla. BBLG resumed. So in Tesla, did I lose $1 on it? Holy crap. So, okay, I see. I see. So if it doesn't move, you pretty much lose $1 on it. Okay. Okay, I see. I see. Yeah, $1. Definitely $1 on it. So 533, and then that's a 15. That's 45. Yeah. So between 50 cents to $1 if it doesn't move. Not sure if it's good or bad. I need a pullback. $35. 4. Are we gonna go over 6 or no? BBLG is popping. So let's look. Probably 5-minute setups on Tesla are better. Than 1-minute setups. Only thing that's moving is BBLG 620, and then it flushes down to 6. There you go, 45. I don't know how you trade BBLG. How do you trade BBLG? Over 50? $40, $39, $36, $33. I'm in. I want to see it jump over. It's not. I want to see it jump over 40 again. I'm in at 32. We're selling off. And now we're back to 40. 39. I'm in. Okay. Sellers at 50 for sure. Are we gonna test sellers again? 62 is a hold level. Over 50. Probably selling off. Tesla popped. Okay. Over 50. 37. There it goes. Let's watch. Yuck. 40 is the next potential trade over 40. 37, 40. Yuck. So is that a pullback? Are we gonna stay above this? 30 seconds, 22. Let's see how much we get a pullback. 20 seconds, I'm in. I want to see, I'm in at 22. I want to see it hover around this area. I don't want it to sell off. I'm in at 17. I'm in. Let's see if it's gonna pop. Nope, it's not popping. Yeah, I keep losing money on that. Let's watch for green. There it goes, green. We're gonna pop over 20 into the 50 area. I'm in at 17. I wanna see 50 again. Pull back 20. Are we gonna see green? We're not seeing green. Pull back? Nope. Pull back? I'm in the 22. Nope. Out. Wow. Definitely cannot get a grip on this. 22. 24. Pull back. 20, 18, 16, 15. 18. How are we gonna look here? 18. 19, 16, 15. 35 seconds. I'm in. Let's see if we break 25 here into the 50. I'm in at 19, which is not that good. But I want to see it pop over 25 into the 50 area. And of course I don't get that. Alright, 10 seconds. I'm in. Are we gonna pop? No, we're not popping. I don't know what to tell you about this day today. It's definitely an interesting. Wonder if it's gonna flush. I wonder if it's gonna flush. 15. Okay, let's watch this. 20. I'm in. Out. Watch for red. I'm in at 26 out of 30. Missing it. Pull back. I'm in at 30. Pulling back. It's pulling back way too much. DWAC, look at this guy. Oof. I don't know, guys. I don't know. 37 is a 5-minute setup. I'm in. I want to see the 37 break on the 5-minute. I'm in at 23. I'm in at 23. I want to see that 37 break. Okay. 2. 25. So 34. Watch that 29. I'm in. Nope. I don't know. It's like you're fishing for this 30, 34 break. Okay, are we gonna get anything here? No. So 34. Let's watch 34. Is it gonna flush here? 22 seconds. Oh my goal here. 25, there it goes. Pull back. Pull back. Pull back. 21, 22. So I'm in. Let's see if we're gonna go. No, we're not. Okay. Maybe I'm a little bit too early. I'm in at 22. In at 22, we're gonna see volume or no? We're not seeing volume. I'm in. I want to see that 37. Reminds me of MRIN on Friday. It's still holding. I know it's gonna pop. I'm just gonna miss it when it pops, for sure. I'm in. Nope. I knew that's gonna happen. Any other day, this would have been already, the 22 would have broken and into the 37. I'm in at 09. Are we gonna go back up to 20? No. No. I mean, it's a good pullback 607 area, but I don't know. It's definitely a tough stock. Look at that flush. What's up, Delacroix? Yeah, today's not a good day. I definitely FOMO'd into that resumptions for halts on halts, the BBLG. It was looking good. I know Bunman also entered the same area. That's why he's red. But I also dabbled with some Tesla that looks like I don't know what I'm doing in Tesla either. So DWAC, I wanna kind of see that too. So DWAC, are we gonna break that 57 on DWAC? 17 seconds. I don't know. Okay, we're selling off. Curious if 57 will pop. BBLG 674 is the halt. Break. I'm in. Nope, I'm out. I'm in. Are we gonna go through 50? Nope. Keep losing money on it. 50? We're gonna see 50 or no? Too dangerous. 40, 38, 39, I'm in. No. Maybe now into 50, 60. So I'm in at 39. Will we go into the 7 area? Yep. Okay. I exited at 66, which not that great. 87 is halt. Pullback area maybe 640, 650. Yeah, 651 I saw. That would have been a good dip buy. Now we're gonna test down to 651 again. Break 50. We are breaking 50. Whew. Yeah, how do you trade this? How do you trade this? Bunman's back to flat. So what was I, 69 bucks on that down? So I made half of my losses. So my idea about trading larger cap stocks definitely needs some more refining and tuning. TLRY. What are we doing here with TLRY? Oh. Yeah. Let's watch TLRY2. BBLG 44. Dips off of 44. Watch. Oh wow, that was quick. So watch over 60 now. That was a quick pop too. I'm not sure if it's gonna test the highs again. We're getting into this territory of what if, gambling territory. $706 is the halt. You know it's a bad day when you start looking at Tesla. No man, I have actually BABA, NVIDIA, Facebook, Tesla, and DWAC. I don't know. Okay, let's watch that over 60 break here. I don't know. 50, 20 seconds into this 1 minute. Are we gonna pop over 60? Yeah, we are. Okay, 58. Watch. Selling off. I'm in. I want to see that break of 60. There it goes. Flat. In at 56, out at 58. Nothing crazy. I feel like... Alright. What are the moves here? I don't see. It goes back to 70 and then flushes back. 68, 66, now flush to 56. I don't know. Is it gonna go lower? 56, 54. I'm in at 54. I wanna see 70 again. Will I see 70? It's not moving. It's not moving. So 70, still watching 70. Jeff, are you looking at Tesla too? Hint, is it a bad day for you or not? That's what I'm referring to. So BBLG, still looking. So 70. Watch the 65, 68 area. I don't like this. 60. 60 is barely holding. RT's probably banking it on BBLG. It's his type of trades here. Flush. 660. Next area. $660. All right, watch 660. There it goes. So watch that, how it's gonna perform. So 70 is right here. 70. Break of 70. We need to get in before the 70. So 62, 63. And then take profit into the 70. Watch. I'm in. Out. Okay. Watch. Watch. I'm in. Nope. Never mind. So watch 60. Alright, still watching over 70 here. Dangerous territory. Watch for those flushes. And flushes. Yeah, watch for the... there it goes. There it goes. Watch for the flush. So watch 76. Watch 76. Good thing I didn't take that. Yeah. So 75, 76, still watching. Could pop. 721 is the halt. Watching 76 now. 75. But potentially try to get in at 65 break if that 1 minute stays within the same range as it is now, and break into the 70. So 65, break into the 70. Still watching 65. I'm looking at the 50 area to break. It's 57, 53, then hovering. The bids are not moving up. The stock is ridiculous. Yeah, man, I have a lot of going on in the background, so I'm muting it sometimes. I'm in this tight area. There's a lot of commotion going on, a lot of people around me, so I don't want all the commotion. So let's see, 57, 60 area. Still watching that. I don't know. If BBLG is all we get, I feel in pain right now. Like Jeff said, I might have to go back to Tesla, and if you go back to Tesla, that means the day is bad. So we have 104.15 on Tesla, 5 minutes setup on Tesla coming in 3 minutes. 104.15 on Tesla. So 102 break on Tesla. Let's watch for that. Okay, I mean, I don't see a lot of buying going on Tesla. Basically, I'm learning to apply same concept of scalping to Tesla that I use on low float. And what I notice is so far, that's why I'm using one share. I'm just doing a proof of concept, and I want to do on live data. I mean, it's holding this area, but oh, I don't know why I clicked this. Yeah, that was misclick on my part. Dang, that's exactly why I'm doing this. There it goes. I see volume. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. I wonder if it's possible just to learn one stock, like how it moves. You know, Tesla. It's just if you learn Tesla how it moves for the past 2 years, you could just be banking it, right? 106.4. I don't know. What are we doing here? Are we pulling back, or are we? No, the volume's coming in. I'm curious if we're gonna break that 6 again. I'm in at 104.7. Okay, I see a little bit of volume coming in. Okay. 97. No. Oh wow. Five. So 106 is in the area. 15 seconds. I'm in. Break of 6. Nope, it's not breaking of 6. And look at that dollar flush. I'm in. 47, 52, 5, 5. Are we gonna see green? No, we're not seeing green. Oh, see, that's 6. I'm in 105.79. Okay, what was the exit? 20. So it is filling me almost close to the bid. So that last trade was almost $1 loss. And the trade before that was 80 cents loss. So just to give you a perspective of scalping Tesla, what kind of damage it can do to you. So 655. So are we gonna pop again into the highs, or are we gonna sell it off? So 55, 60 area, 50 area also. Look at BBLG. So in Tesla, it looks like you got to be patient and wait for this 5-minute setups mostly, because they're more conclusive. 5-minute setups are more conclusive for sure. So bond is what, 3 grand up? That's good. BBLG, what is it doing? What is BBLG doing? Insane. 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 That's all I gotta say is it's insane. Tesla, that 1-minute pullback, maybe right here at 101.72. Break. I'm in. Is it gonna break? Yeah, it is breaking. Wow. So that was a $1. I'm in. And it fills me at, okay. Are we gonna pop over? I wanna see it pop over $2 again. 250, 270. Okay. Be right back. All right, Tesla is popping, right? 5-minute setup was at 106. Yay. $108.04 is high, but there's no setup here. So today's not looking good as far as PNL. Let's watch DWAC. GDLG sold off. Anything else is moving? iTub. Am I late to this one? No, man. Look at the volume. There's no, man. We can't. Not for me, man. 57.40. 57.40. $57.40. What's the spread? 11 cents. 57.40. Volume is low. There's no movement at all on that. It's red. Okay, Tesla. Tesla is 105, 597, right? Yeah, 597 to 547. 547 to 597. That was quick. Okay, 725 pullback. I definitely learning how to read Tesla. It doesn't do this. It does not do that. Because if it does this, and then if it does this, then means it's gonna go lower. So it looks like it does that, and then hovers, and then it goes up, and then flushes. But again, it could be just this one time. So that's why putting in some hours, and I mean I can't put in hours after I trade, because obviously the market's gonna be dead. So that's why I'm doing it now. I feel like it's a beginning of just learning large caps. Nothing else is moving. Let's watch and see. Maybe we get something midday. Who knows? What are you guys watching? You watching anything? So on Tesla, how is this 1 minute bounce gonna be? Watch 103. So 104.23. There you go. Pullback. I'm in. Over 6. I'm in at 4. Yeah. Yuck. No. So 36 cents, yeah. Huh. $105.14. So 514. 514. There it goes. It's really difficult to get in. Seven, 8. I'm in at 778. Yeah, this is definitely. No. So 779. The 5-minute setups probably. Yeah. I mean, there's no sense in pushing any other trades on like BBLG. So I'm just practicing Tesla. I'm trying to read Tesla. Putting some hours behind it. Alright, I'm gonna turn off Bunman. He's doing his recap. So 1056. Yeah, so if I were to trade 100 shares on Tesla, I would be down almost $300 now. $106. Let's watch for the push over 6, 7. So the interesting part is once it moves, it goes higher. But once it flushes, it also flushes down a lot. Like it doesn't have that balance of micro flush. It doesn't play by the same rules. You know, you see the red volume and you still. I'm in 2 shares again, so I'm in at 630. So see it at $2 a share, still holding. Nope. See $3 a share, and this is just with 1 share too. Well, I'm getting more disappointed and disappointed in reading Tesla, right? But I'm also trading it based on the micro volume pushes, just like when I was doing a BBLG, right? So this 1 minute 581 is going to be a 581 is the I'm in. See, it does that push and then it flushes. You know, how do you read that? And of course you're getting filled at the high. But so the level here on Tesla, the micro levels, I guess would be 07. I don't know, I'm trying to trade that 1 minute candle over candle. So the level here is 779. 6, 5, I'm in. So I'm in at 360 and I just flushed to 260 and 2. Yeah, there you go, $2 right there with 1 share. That's exactly, that's a large cap. Okay, That's a large cap for you. Hey, listen, it's good to know, because I almost called Lightspeed to set it up because I was confident that I can read large caps after watching a couple videos. 1680. There goes $8. How? I'm in. Are we gonna see 9? I'm in at 736. 736, and then we're probably gonna flush. Are we gonna break? Let's see. Let's see if we break. There it goes. There it goes. We're flushing. So that was 40 cents loss. I'm in. 49. So I got filled right on the top. Okay, that's what I wanted to test, what TOS will do when it comes to fills. So I think it's important. So are we gonna break to 9? 6. See, we're breaking down. 5, 7. Okay. Are we pushing? The good thing is when it pushes, it definitely pushes like $1 or $2. Right? 750 again. See, like, well, if it breaks, it breaks like $2. But my fill was 863. See? So market orders on TOS are definitely a dump. Definitely a dump. There goes the 11. What was that? A 5-minute setup. Interesting, interesting. Let's see, 12. It's hovering around that 12 area. 60, 13. Huh. So 1365 is high on here. We have a 1 minute and 30 seconds. So let's see, 1365. 1365. Okay, we got 14 now. So never mind that level. And see, it doesn't respect the timing on the candle. So like this push here, like how do you 17, so that's a pullback, right? 16 over 16 maybe. $16. I'm in. I'm out. So yeah. I'm in. I'm in at 1670. Okay, I'm out $2. That was a good spike into the 20, right? 2050. But there's no way. It's like, it's not obeying by the same rules as low float. For sure. Does Tesla do 1 minute pullbacks at 1833? I'm in. Nope, we don't do 1 minute pullbacks, huh? I'm in. 1580. Holy guacamole. 16. No. 1 minute pullbacks. Is there such a thing? No, it's not. And $2 down. So, okay. But the interesting part is the flushes are slightly different. Flushes are a little more substantial. The micro flushes, that's what I'm talking about. What am I in terms of trades? Yeah, my trades count is through the roof today. 1723 pullback. I want to see a flush pullback. 50, 34. I'm in. Let's see, 16. I don't know. Did I get out? So, if I lost 50 cents even on a move up because of the spread. Alright, so let's see, I'm in at 1550. 1550. And I want this level to hold. And I want this to go into the 19 area. Okay. I mean, how do you explain, like, that entry was a random it was like I didn't see anything on level 2. 1793, 18. I'm in. So what was that? That's a 40 cents loss. See? So the entry was at 2046 out at 2007. Can't scalp Tesla with Thinkorswim. I wonder if I can try to do like the bid entry. Like, will it? There's no way it's gonna. So like, watch the get on the bid. It's not gonna even fill me. Okay, it's pulling back. iSig. Looks like I even removed it from my iSig bounce of a VWAP. Could be, yeah. Could be. Disappointing day, disappointing. I'm gonna continue learning read Tesla. I think my issue is I'm getting in at the at the times where there's not really a setup. So like 5 minute setups probably would be optimal, because right now, I mean, is there a 1 minute pullback setup? It was. You see, there was a 1 minute pullback setup, but me having this mindset of a low float, I'm anticipating a lot of it, and I'm noticing Tesla is not giving you those micro pullbacks as do low floats. And Tesla seems to have a mind of its own. But I mean, it's expected. That's why I'm trading one share and I'm looking at the fills, because so far I'm disappointed in fills in TOS. Just market orders for Tesla. They're definitely, I was hoping it's going to be at least halfway through the bid and ask, but it looks like I'm getting filled on the buy orders at the ask, or like a cent or two below the ask, which is not optimal. I was looking, like I said, the 50-50, like between the bid and the ask. So if the spread is 60 cents, I'm looking to get filled 30 cents lower than the ask, but maybe that's asking too much, right? I mean, what else? iSig maybe bouncing off a VWAP, but look at iSig's volume. Like, I don't know. And I remember iSig can get you pretty good. The interesting thing is, you know, Tesla I can sell easily, but I'm still not in that mindset of selling. I'm so used to for the stock to push up to look, because see, I'm used to I'm used to looking at the level 2, and I'm used to for the green, right, that spike, and that's where I have my mind trained. And to be on the short side, you need to do opposite of that, so the color is different. And because right now red association for me is not good, right? But if you're on the short side, it's good. So 1565, 1574, but I don't know, it's 1 minute setup maybe. Would I trade a 1 minute setup? $65.74. I mean, it could flush here, right? But let's see if there's volume coming in. There it goes. There's no way I would have gotten in. $1.10 spread. $1.10 on the pops. Spread is $1.10 on the pops. Okay. There's red. I'm looking for green. 44. Are we gonna go? I'm in at 1720, and I'm out at 1802, while the price was at 1850. Jesus. Horrible fills. Horrible fills. Gotta be quick too. 1940. You see this micro pullback not happening. It's not the same as on the low floats. You see volume a little bit. 46, 47, 47, 23. I'm in. And that's exactly what I'm saying. I got filled at 1895, and the price went to 1950, and I clicked market exit, and I exited at 1885. So I lost 10 cents on that trade, even though the stock moved a dollar, not dollar, but 60 cents into my direction. So 1950, 1975 again. Watching. Still watching. Still watching. Yeah, this is definitely not a market. I'm in. I want to see that 20. I'm in at 1942. Dang. ZNGA, man? Where's the NGA? No, man, it's under VWAP. Why are you looking at this crap? You should learn Tesla with me, man. I need all the support I can get. Look at that $2 move to 270. I still have a scanner up, so if anything moves, I'm definitely gonna hear it. Look at Tesla go. $23.26 on Tesla. Not seeing red, which is a sign of strength. But there's no setup. Anything else is moving? ZNGA, no. ISIG, no. BBLG, no. I mean, nothing's moving, so I'm not gonna force it. I'm just gonna learn how to learn large cap. That's it, you know. Okay, we're gonna pop over this. So 5-minute setup. How does it do with multiple 5-minute candle? It doesn't do too well. Okay, so with this 5-minute, this was good. I like this. So 1-minute setups suck on Tesla, but look at the 5-minute setups. 5-minute setups might be into something on Tesla. But now I gotta figure out the swings on the 5-minute setups, because you know, like for example, the break was here at 23. Was it? No, it was 1940, right? Break was 1940. But where was the break? The break was here. Okay, the break was here, and it looks like it did break into 75, so 40, so 35 cents. But then it flushed down to $2 before it actually went. So $2 flushes on Tesla, that's nothing. How do you cope with that? You know, how do you feel okay with that? Is $2 in this example? $2 was nothing, but maybe, you know, $5 is nothing too, depending on setups. Because when we trade small caps, we're okay for it to micro pullback, right? That 10 cents or whatever. But is the 10 cents equivalent as $5 on Tesla? Is it okay to wait for that $5 pullback on Tesla? Or not wait, but sit through it? I guess that's my question. Tesla is popping. Look at Tesla go. And I just talked about the 5-minute candles. Not looking good. But it could flash and it'll be a wick, right? And there's a wick coming on 1 minute on Tesla. Oh, excuse me. The pre-market on 32, so it got into a pre-market high. At least it's respecting some levels, right? I need to color code my levels differently for the pre-market highs and daily highs and like weekly, whatever, the more substantial resistances and supports, especially if you trade large caps. So high of the Momo scanner is dead. BBLG is dead. We're down 50 bucks. Looks like I'm down on Boeing too, 20 bucks. TLRY 750. How's TLRY doing? Nothing on TLRY. So I'm gonna go on mute. I'll be back. Still keep watching. Maybe we'll have a mover. What did I miss? IMMX popping? I don't know. BBLG is popping. BBLG is popping. Watch 89. Watch that 89. Let's do 125 shares. I don't know. So we have 13 seconds, 15 seconds. Are we gonna pop over VWAP? That's essentially what I'm after. Let's see. I'm in. Nope. Watching. Watching. 57. Watching. I'm in. I want to see it pop. I'm in at 77. I wanted to see it pop over 80. There it goes. Bids. 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 Are you guys gonna? Nope. Bids are not moving up. Wow. I thought I had a hard time trading Tesla. I'm in. Nope. There you go. That's what I was waiting for. And I thought I had a hard time reading Tesla. It's freaking 90 right now. 52. Pullback. I'm in. Nope. Pullback. I'm in. No. 37, 32, man. I'm in. At 90. And it pulled right away. Will we break 6 here? Alright. I want to see 95. No, we're not seeing 95. There it goes, 95. IMMX is also, but keep an eye on this, because if it's gonna go through 95, that's gonna be a good sign. Okay, went through 95. Okay, watch this area now. And here's the 6, right? 97. I'm in. 95. 96, 97. 99. I'm in at 94. Bids are not moving up. I want this to go through 6. Nope. Watch. I'm in. Nope. Still watching the 96, 98. There it goes. There it goes. 98, 97. I'm in. Are we gonna go through 6 or no? There. Come on. Come on. Come on. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. I have to admit that my style of trading, it sucks when the market is like this. So 609. We're looking for pullback here, 12 seconds, 1 minute pullback. I want to see some volume coming in. 59, 6, 6. I want to see some green start coming in. I'm in at 98. I wanna see it go through 6 again. 60, 605, 610. Just like a bounce of a VWAP. Nope. 98. 98. It's okay. Are we gonna pop here, or are we gonna flush a little lower to 91? So watch that. I'm in at 96. Wow. And I missed that trade completely. Back to square one. For all it's worth, yeah, it's definitely not looking good today. 602. You know, I had this ambition coming in. You know, I'm like, yeah, I got it down path. All I need is just momentum, and you think you're reading the stock and you think you got it, and I'm in at 95. Nope. And then the next thing you know, you're down $60 for the day. I mean, it's not bad, but I'm looking for a bounce here, but there it goes. Maybe 97, 93. Wow. So 6, I'm still looking at 6. Yeah, you know, like, I was so ambitious today. I was so like, okay, I think I know how to read large caps, and no, I don't. Still looking at 6. The 5 minute looks pretty bad. RT is up 500. Man, that's good. He needed that. He needed that break. That's good. Probably BBLG after the halt. Jeff, are you up? Watching that bounce at 93. I don't know. Will we get that bounce at 93? Okay, flush. There's some green. I'm in at 87. I'm in at 87. Will we go up? 88, 89, 90. Okay. Probably got out at 88. Yeah. How do you trade this? How do you trade this? I'm in at 92. and it's not moving any further. And I'm in at 92 and I'm out at 93. That's good, Jeff. You're up. Green couple bucks. At least you're not down like me at 60 bucks. Alright, still watching that 610 area. Oh wow, it approached it really quick. Pull back. I'm in. Let's see if it's gonna push over 6. So I'm in at 6. Watching. I probably should have stayed in. Yeah. Keep watching. 6, 5, 4, 10 seconds. Yeah, it's flushing. Still watching over. That's a 5-minute setup. Gonna increase my share size. Over 608, 610. Just keep watching for that rush of volume. I don't like how that 1 minute turned out, right? There's a high wick, that means there's a lot of sellers. But it also could squeeze, right? I'm in. Nope. I'm in. Nope. I'm in. Come on. Come on. Okay. Okay. You saw the inconfidence there, knowing in the back of my side I'm using like larger share size, even though it's not that much larger. But I was like in and out, maybe what, 4 different times. So I gave back on those ins and outs maybe 2 cents. And then that last trade, I'm in at 607, out at 612. So it wasn't bad. Facebook has flat top setting up. Curious how that works out. Let's watch Facebook. Might be too late. Facebook. You see right here, Facebook. Gotta watch this. It's on a downtrend. BBLG still watching. 615 selling off. Of course it is. $320.80. $320.80. Facebook. Let's see if I can read Facebook. Facebook is not a big spread, surprisingly. 10 cents only. But what are the breakouts here? 2021. Yeah. The breakouts are definitely not like Tesla breakouts. BBLG, still watch that area. BBLG. Watch the 605 area. I'm in. No, I'm not moving. Wow, it's not moving. Watch 605. No volume. 6, there it goes. Pull back or no? 22 seconds. Here's the Facebook going. There it goes. 320.78 Facebook. Let's watch 320.78 on Facebook. Pull back. Wow. All right, BBLG, back to BBLG. 605. 605. There it goes. 604 here. 606. There it goes. 609. 607. Now. There it goes. There it goes, Facebook. 608. 608, 609. Just watch that. Maybe wait for 5 minutes setup. That Facebook probably would have gave a couple cents. So what is the high of that 5 minute? It's 620, 619. All right. So over 612, maybe something. Okay. Watch for the pullbacks. Pullback. I'm in. I'm in at 11. I'm out. Watch. There it goes. I got out too early. Pullback. Pullback. 13, 15, 12, 10, 9. Wow. I was actually waiting for that to get in at like 10. Five minutes setup in 30 seconds. How is Tesla looking in 5 minutes setup? Okay. That's a pullback on Tesla for sure. BBLG 5 minutes setup is at 620. Okay. Well, let's watch 15, then hold that 15 and break into the 20. If we're strong. Not sure if anything happens, but just pretty much been sitting here for 3 days or 2 days straight now with nothing to show for. Definitely disappointing. Definitely disappointing. Tesla 5 minutes set up at 27:30. but I mean 26.15. Not holding my breath. Still, I'm still learning how to read Tesla. It's definitely, yeah. There it goes. BBLG sold off. But I feel like Tesla at least giving you, at least it's one stock that you're focusing on. That's the benefit of it. And it's giving you opportunities throughout the day, right? There's none of that pre-market only, or first 5 minutes of the market open only, or pump for 5 minutes and then dump, halts up, halts down. There's none of that crap, right? If you're, I feel like maybe if you can read Tesla, if you learn how to read it, you might be able to get somewhere. But I'm noticing that there could be an issue with learning how to read, is because, well, think about it, like alphabet, right? You learn alphabet, and it's tomorrow it's the same alphabet. But Tesla is like, okay, you learned Tesla today, and you think it's going to be the same tomorrow. It's not. So that's where the complexity comes, right? At least with low floats, you see a similarity of them. You know, the backside, front side, then halts up, halts down, then you have this VWAP pullback. Like, they have similarities to them. Whether Tesla is just has it moves a lot more on fundamentals, you know, than technicals, and then vice versa, right? And you can't really predict at which point it's going to move based on what scenario, technical or fundamental. And that's what I'm noticing a lot from traders who trade Tesla, is they're successful trading maybe for months too, and then all of a sudden they get dumped on, you know, because what used to work for 2 months for them is no longer working, and they have to readjust, and the readjustment is basically costing them a lot of money. And as you saw, December for me was everyday green, my trading style, right? And January so far has been rocky, you know, and today I'm down $37. So it's and I noticed the trend, because Friday was similar situation. Friday was similar down day, you know, and then I scraped myself, crawled myself up to a break even. But to me, in the back of my mind, that's still a red day, because first of all, I wasted the entire day trading. I wasted my life doing it. You know, I didn't really gain any knowledge because I was just scraping those base hits, and they're not bringing any value to my knowledge. That's why I kind of brought Tesla up, just to potentially maybe gain an understanding how it moves a little better, because I notice a lot of people actually scalp Tesla with options. BBLG, maybe a flat top here at 92, 94. We have a 5 minute setup at 14 seconds. I don't know, let's watch this for volume. There's volume coming in right here. Below VWAP. Let's see what it's gonna do. Looks like it don't want to do anything yet, but they're still hovering around this 90 mark. So if 93 breaks, there it goes. There it goes. I see a little action on level 2. I see it moving up. No, looks like it's selling off. I'm still watching it. It's not looking bad. The volume is dead, but it could be a bounce back. Watching. 89. 85. It's a little spready. There it goes. There's some volume. It didn't move anything on that volume. I'm in. Let's see. I'm in at 90. Holy guacamole. It literally, the bid was just sitting there for freaking 5 seconds at 88. While the ask was hovering at 95, 94. And now it's at 95. Yeah. Now it's at 6. Jeez. So watch this. Watch the 606. I don't know. Watch that pullback. I'm in. I'm in at 601. No, we're pulling back. I'm in. 97. I'm in at 96. What is it gonna be? 99. 6. 603. Did I get out? Yeah, I got out at 603. Level 2 did not show that at all. Level 2 was actually selling off while it got to 603. So covers, the short covers right now, see on the dumps, it actually not dumping as it should be. But still watching. 607, 608, 610. Maybe bounce of a BWAP here. Gotta stay above 95. Gotta stay above 95 and break that 605 into the 610. I don't know if the volume is there though. One minute to the 5 minute setup, 1 minute and 20 seconds. $604. Still watching. Looks like it's gonna sell off, but if it's gonna hold at 95, what is the trend? Is it really this trend candle here? You know, maybe. We'll see. The high is what, 609 here, 608. Yeah. 602. 9 seconds. I'm in. I wanted to pop over 604, 605, 607. There it goes. It's actually not bad. Did I get out at 605? Yeah, 605. I should have got out at 607. And here's the 8 and 10. 4. I'm in. I'm in at 601. I wanted to break 605, 610. No. I'm gonna get out here for a little break even. Alright. Watch this. 605. 605, 602. 609 is the high. It's a strong setup at 609. I'm in. I want to break that 10 into the, okay, that's fine. It looks like it might not be breaking that 10. So 615 was the high on this candle. Okay, 15 seconds. I'm in. Nope. That was a mistake. That was a costly mistake. Are we going to get a bounce here and try again for the highs? You see that false breakout on the 1 minute and flush? Those are definitely been interesting lately. Watch 605. TLRY broke a VWAP, but it's done that before, so 605. I don't know. $605 on strong volume. I doubted that we're gonna push above the 615 again. Yeah, I was definitely hoping it's gonna bounce back from like 610 when I got in at 612. But it looks like it's not happening. Let's watch for this 604, 605 break. Was volume. Nope. 54, 95. Yeah, I'm not sure if I like this setup. I'm in at 97. There's no buyers, I'm out. No buyers, I'm out. I'm not, you just sit there and wait. Was the order open on the flush or something? I don't know. I'd rather, I see a little buying here. There goes some buying. 604. We're gonna flush here. $57. What are we doing? Nope, flushing. Oh well, no, it's sitting flat. I'm just curious if it's gonna break that 605 into 615 again. But it's also looking like it's weak. Still watching. 37, so 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Nope, flush. Okay, let's watch 604, 605 area. If we get a push, because we also have this area right here, something maybe like this. So that's why I'm kind of watching this 604, 605. There it goes. But optimally, I would want it to pop back up again. You know, we saw this volume, but the bids are still at 97. Okay, now I see it move up. Will we get a pullback? $18 seconds. I don't know. So 904. Okay. They came out of nowhere. So 08. Okay. 608. I'm in at 603. Watching for a flush. 605. I'm out. I should have stayed in. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. 15 is the next level, guys. Minute and 20 seconds until 5 minutes set up. Okay, we're approaching that 15 level, 15-20 level. $15.20 level. Always strong. I'm in. Over 13. Nope. Watching. Watch 14, 15. Okay, that would have been an entry. Nope. Pull back. I'm watching. Still pulling back. Okay. Still watching. This is actually a strong area. This is a strong area, guys. Strong, strong, strong. If we break this 20 area, 25, and then 50, that's going to be a squeeze for sure. So just keep an eye on it. Watch for that pullback. There it goes. That was a pullback at 08. Let's see if we're gonna get a pull. Nope, we're not. So it looks like it wants to. I'm staying away for now. There it goes. There it goes. 15. 14. I'm in. No, I'm out. Watching. I'm in. Let's see if it's gonna touch that 15. Nope. Still watching. Still watching that 15. They might just sell off here, but it's a good area to watch, guys. 15. $15, $14, $13. There it is. Push back. It's not letting me push back. So 30 is the area. 66 is the halt. Pulling back. I don't know. I'm just slow at reading level 2 today. You know, I don't know what's going on. So now the 30 area is approaching. 25. 24. See those flushes there? I'm in. I want to see 30 again. No. I did want to see a 30 again. So watch the 26, 25. But that's going. See, it's like. I can't freaking get a read on this. Okay, let's see what's my computer. Am I looking for reasons now? CPU's at 10%, that's fine. Am I looking for reasons why I can't read level 2? I don't know. It's usually a bad sign. Maybe it's just me, right? It's not a computer. This is like a money-making setups right here, and I'm definitely missing them. I'm in. No, I'm out. How do you? I'm in. No, I'm out. See, like, how do you trade these setups? The level 2 is not moving. It's just, yeah. Definitely not used to this slow market like this. So 35 is still a game. So 33, 35. I don't like this top. So 5 minutes setup is coming in 45 seconds. Right? There he goes. What was that about? Does anybody else see this? This 56? It got into 56. How? Now that candle's gonna screw everything up for us technicals. Nice, look at that sell-off. Jeez. I wonder if that candle was sign a sell-off. How is it in an entire market? There is no movement at all for any of the stocks. How is that even possible? I'm not even looking at my Twitch, and okay, not really anybody watching my Twitch. Yeah, how do you trade this? This is insane. So back to practicing Tesla. So Tesla is selling off, but it's definitely at the VWAP, so it might bounce. It's interesting to play Tesla. Maybe break off that 1 minute at 977 into the 10. You know, BBLG is a little all over the place, so I wouldn't be surprised if we see the test of 25 again, the 24-25 break. It kind of opened up weak. Okay, so Tesla is doing that 1 minute thing. Okay. Huh. No rationale behind it whatsoever. Yeah, I know a lot of people are actually trading options and they're scalping options, but I'm still practicing scalping options. It's definitely not as simple as it seems to be, because options have less liquidity than stocks, obviously, and options actually, watch that 20 area. $15, $16. Watching. I'm in at 16. We're flushing. Okay. 18. Okay, still watching that 20 area. 24 seconds. I don't know. I'm in. Are we gonna pop through this? Yeah, we are popping. I'm waiting for the bids to move up. I'm always waiting for those bids to move up. $22. I don't know, this candle. Look at this candle. It's like screwing everything up. So 22, 23. 1 minute right here. I'm not gonna enter, but if I enter, it would be no. Maybe this is a pullback, micro pullback. Okay, volume's coming in back right here. It's basing out at 20. Let's see if it's gonna hold 16, 20. Okay, bids are going up a little. That's a good sign. So we might push here. Yep, volume's buying volume coming in, but it's not moving up, so it's definitely there are sellers. They're definitely sellers. I'm watching 57. Let's see. I'm watching. I'm in 17. How is that possible? The bids were at 17. I'm in at 19. And now the bids at 23, 24. How? And there it goes. There goes my 5 cents. My $10. There goes my $10. Unbelievable. Something's definitely happening. I'm definitely not getting the same reads anymore. And here goes my $15. looks like another shitty day. I know for me personally, this candle at 1224, it messed things up for me. Maybe it shouldn't, right? Maybe I should ignore it because it looks like he's still respecting that top, so they are not looking at this. So let's keep an eye on that 35. You know, maybe I shouldn't worry about that candle. One minute set up at 26 and 20 seconds. There it goes. 15 seconds. I can't read it. I can't. It's at 29 now. I can't read this. I can't read this. 29, 27 now. 26. Nope. Still looking at 27. It's got a base here though. It's got to stay like above 20. So 20 is it gonna base here and then pop again over 30? Not looking that way because of the volume. But who knows? It can just come in like right now, you see? $24, 24, 26. I'm in. Waiting for bids to move up. And 29. That's all I get. Freaking 29. So 632 as the high here. So watch that 32.35 break. Maybe on a 5-minute setup. I'm in. I want to see that 35 test. False breakout. And that's a flush right there. Okay, so I probably should stop because I definitely used up a lot of trading power on Thinkorswim. I wish I had more trading power because I did want to practice more on Tesla. That's essentially my goal, is just to trying to converge into the larger cap stocks, because I feel like when they're dead days like this, like these, large caps have a lot more potential. So I had 2 people tell me that my extreme quality is not good. I had pixelated, but well, the PNL is pixelated because I stretch it on the monitor to fit that larger font. The rest of the stuff, yeah, TOS I stretch it, but I don't know, the rest of the stuff, it looks okay on my end. We have hours moving. Look, guys, the hour that saved some people on Friday is definitely moving for some reason, right? Out of nowhere. What is hour doing? 75 shares on hour. 1 minute pullback. Over 37. 1 minute pullback over 37. 24. Jesus. 12-cent spread. It's almost as spready as Facebook. And Facebook is $300. Right? I mean, we see 300,000 volume came in. That's not bad. Let's see if it's gonna hold this 15 area and break 30 again. I don't really see a good 1 minute setup either yet. BBLG is curling up. Maybe break of that 20 again. There it goes. 725. Alright, watching. Okay. Watching. Huh. BBLG, break of 20. Bids are 21. Now 26. Wow. Wow, BBLG. BBLG. Out of nowhere, BBLG, guys. 30. Pullback. 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 Watch for green. I'm too late. Watch for that 30, 33, 34 break. I'm in. Bids are not going up. Stupid bids. $86 is a halt. I'm in. I want to see that 40. Nope. Dang it. Stupid bids. At 37, 34. It's heavy. The stock is heavy up here. Gotta watch it. You gotta watch it. It's too heavy up here. Yeah, I think that's it for me, guys. There's no sense of over trading. Flat for the day, for sure. But I was down some point $70. Anyway, live another day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be playing probably with Tesla stuff, but I'm not going to be using my real trades. Just probably demo. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.